middle of November. Beautiful day though, maybe 19 degrees. Still in Tokyo. This area here is the area surrounding Meiji Jingu Shrine. The main reason I'm here today is this is the Yoyogi entrance, and around Yoyogi there's a couple of iconic places for taking photos of the trains as they pass by, so I thought I might indulge in that myself. Anyway, as I say, this is just a starting point to go. You can hear that train already. Just going to go and have a look, take the photos. But this is definitely a quieter entrance than the one at Harajuku. And there's the autumn colours. Got my jackets, beanies, got some gloves, just don't have a scarf, but gonna need that. Quite pretty here. Have to find out maybe on the weekend a good place to go and see some of these real autumn colours around the area, around Tokyo that is. I've read up a few. It's a matter of picking a good one. So the main area for taking the photos, I think I was at a little while ago, because there's kind of a train going along at road level, and then if you're lucky one goes overhead at the same time. So there's the JR Yamanote, the green doors. And left Yoyogi heading to Harajuku. Which way to cross? This way for a start. Might have to wait on the other side for the green. Don't think it will be too long. $350 metres to the station, 150 to the shrine entrance. No other train for the moment. Looks like a quiet route, but we'll take it anyway. Quiet's good if nobody's around, so we can have a chat. Yoyogi is the first stop from Shinjuku, depending on which way you're going. Of course, it's probably took me maybe a 10 minutes walking time from Shinjuku station. I got stuck taking photos on the other side because it seemed like a great spot. There's another spot here which I haven't been to yet, but I kind of glanced on my way past. Could be good too. Of course, the sun situation or shade is going to have an impact. One way, not that popular route, this one. I guess some people going into the shrine through that Yoyogi entrance have done so having caught the train to Yoyogi for that specific purpose. I don't think many would be just coming to Yoyogi, or many would have walked from Shinjuku to Yoyogi. Not that it's far, but sometimes as a tourist you don't actually know those things. I certainly didn't. Catch a train for a short distance when you could have walked. Yeah, that one's got some ivy going. And every now and again you get random houses like this one in amongst it all. The thing about places built near the train lines, or train lines built near houses, it's not actually that big a deal because trains stop around midnight in Tokyo and resume at 5, so at least they're not keeping you up all night shaking your building. It's a bit of wall art. That means, that noise, that there's a crossing down there to the right. Yeah, let's go that way then. So obviously here we've only got the street level train, but as we're walking underneath the other line, so maybe from the other side, depends on the light, as I say, we'll go over there and check it out. Train coming from the right. Lights, sun's right in the eyes. Surrounded by people. Yeah, I don't always visit all these Instagrammable places, but just came up with this today. It seems like a fair idea. Not too much walking. Let's have a look at it now. Try and find where might be good. Sun to my left. Jeepers, I don't know. Not speeding on his bike there. Guess you just got to be patient, you know. The first train that comes past, there might be one up the top or one down the bottom, but naturally doesn't always line up both at the same time. Hopefully I can show you though. Top one, we don't know when it's coming. The bottom one, we certainly hear it. There's another train up top. No siren for the crossing. Ah, thank you. Could be the time. Let's just see how the light is. I think ideally no train up the top after all. I have noticed it's a little bit of a wait when there's one coming either way. When they put these alarms on. I don't. Well, that sun cut out from my left. Let's just try one now, so I know whether I think it'll be okay. Ideally we want a train on the other side, because you can't see over the top. Backing up now. Yeah, much better on the other side. Come on train. Come on top train. It's not going to happen, is it? The other spot, it probably relies less on which line than this one does, so I might go over there. As in, it doesn't matter whether it's the front or the back line. If the train's coming, you still get a good view of the one on top. Okay, let's do that. That must be it up there. Yeah, for sure. So we'll just go around the corner. Poke our nose through the Yogi here. Let's say what time it was. I think it's 1:30, 2 o'clock, somewhere around there. Still the queues for lunch. Burgers. Yoyogi station. See, literally around the corner. Obviously, best spot's going to be on the other side. They're pretty funky looking eating establishments. This one here, look at this one right on the rail. Train's coming from the right, but can't see it yet. Right, left. Left. Wow, wrong right. Not sure why it takes so long sometimes. If it's got to be a trigger point, but maybe it gets stopped for some reason. Yep, way too dark. Down that way might be right. Can't get that train on top. Yeah. Now, timing's all out at the moment. 2 on top, great. So I'm waiting for that alarm to go off. I might just here to the right's another entrance to the station. We'll just have a look at that. I thought it was quite nice. And then there'll be a warning that a train's coming and we'll wander back. Nice outfit, puppy. Ah. Don't want to miss it. So I'll be going back in a moment. There it is. Nice entrance. Still, you get the idea. Light on there. See how that comes out. Can't win a trick. Oh, we'll get at least one train, one way or the other, at least, and then we'll call that a video and maybe whack in any photos I can find from earlier or now that I'm happy with. That's my single lens, my 50mm, my only lens. Served me well. Okay, this is the one. We're going to get lucky. Oh gosh. Yeah, he's taking a pic from down there. Could be good. Oh, there's one either way. Slow one on top. Needs to be on this line though. Take what we can get. Train up top. Running out of time. Okay. Train up top. Taxi coming. Nice enough scene to finish. So I'll catch ya.